Unit 2, Fitness Training, Aerobic Endurance. What is aerobic endurance? The ability of the body to continuously transport oxygen throughout its various systems for extended periods of time. So, it's the ability of the cardiorespiratory system to work efficiently, supplying nutrients and oxygen to working muscles during sustained physical activity. Activities that last for a long time require excellent aerobic endurance. What are the benefits of aerobic endurance? It strengthens and enlarges heart muscles and the muscles involved in respiration. Strengthening the muscles involved in respiration to facilitate the flow of air in and out of the lungs. So aerobic endurance makes it easier for us to breathe in and out. It also strengthens the heart muscles, so this improves pumping efficiency and reduces the resting heart rate, known as aerobic conditioning. How can we train for aerobic endurance? There's a couple of types of training that you can do. One being circuit training. This involves performing a series of exercises in a special order called a circuit. Each activity takes place at a station. It can be designed to improve speed, agility, coordination, balance, and muscular endurance. You can also try cross-training. This involves using another sport or activity to improve your fitness. It happens when an athlete trains in a different environment. For example, a volleyball player uses the power training for that sport to help with the fitness for long jump. Another type of training is weight training. This is when you use weights to provide resistance to the muscles. It improves muscular strength. So you would have a high weight and low reps. Muscular endurance, low weight, high reps. And power, medium weight, and reps performed quickly. What are the different types of training? There's 3 different types of training. Interval training. It is a type of discontinuous training that involves a series of low to high intensity exercise workouts with a rest or relief period. The high intensity periods are typically at or close to anaerobic anaerobic exercise, while the recovery periods involve activity of a lower intensity. Interval training can be described as short periods of work followed by rest. Fartlek training. This is different types of intensities training at different terrains like slopes and hills. It's a different type of a training technique. Continuous training. This is a type of physical training that involves activity without rest intervals. Continuous training can be performed at low, moderate, or high intensities and is often contrasted with interval training, often called high-intensity interval training. Now, for a case study, I chose an Olympic marathon runner. They need to be able to run for long periods of time, and the better their aerobic endurance is, the easier it is to succeed. A marathon runner would need aerobic endurance. It is crucial to help them succeed. If they can keep a good amount of oxygen in their body whilst running, they are more likely to have a chance of winning. For a long distance runner, something like continuous training, as we now know, that it is a physical activity without rest intervals and can be performed at a low, medium or high intensity. This will raise the runner's cardiovascular endurance and muscular endurance and help to improve their overall finish time for that event.